Welcome back, Treemendous Travelers. I'm Justin.
And I'm Lauren.
And today we're installing a battery disconnect switch,
also known as a battery kill switch,
on our 2021 Braxton Creek Bushwhacker.
A quick reminder of our 100 subscriber giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of the 100 people who are put in a raffle to win something tremendously awesome.
Some RVers would call this mod essential, and here's why. A kill switch is designed to cut off electrical power, making it a helpful safety precaution while performing maintenance or troubleshooting your rig. The other purpose is to protect your batteries from excessive drain. All batteries slowly discharge as appliances in your RV still draw a tiny amount of power when they're off. This passive power loss can leave you with a dead battery, which can affect the longevity of your battery. For many, this happens when your RV is in storage for a period of time. For Bushwhacker owners, power is continually drawn by the stereo system and carbon monoxide and propane alarm. More power is drained if anything is plugged into the 12-volt system or outlets, or if the lights are turned on. Due to this passive and possible active power loss, I usually plug in my Bushwhacker every Saturday. But installing this kill switch will make that a thing of the past. So there are a couple things that you need for this project. You need a battery cutoff switch, and this is a 12-inch Camco battery cable. Now for the cutoff switch, I got a single battery cutoff switch. You can get a dual battery cutoff switch if you have 2 batteries or more. You could also use this single one for 2 batteries if you wire it correctly. So the very first thing you got to do is disconnect the battery, and we'll do that right now. So we'll remove the cover, and then you remove the negative cable first, and then the positive cable. And then we're going to go ahead and remove the battery. The next thing to do after you disconnect the battery and remove the battery from the box is to find the correct place for your cutoff switch. For me, and the length of this cable, I decided to do it on the left side of the box, just so that this doesn't have to go all the way across the battery. So we're going to go ahead and pre-drill the holes for this box, and we'll just use this as a template. Okay, so once the holes are drilled in, we're going to go ahead and connect all the positive cables to the switch. So on this side here, we'll remove the bolts and whatnot. Should have had this done prior. Okay. So this one is from the Bushwhacker, and then this one will go from, so the Bushwhacker to this side, and then this one to the battery. Cool. I'll do that now. So now it's all connected to the battery kill switch. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the box now. So we'll go ahead and use all the parts that it came with to affix it to the box. So now that the battery kill switch is affixed to the box, we'll replace the battery and connect all the cables. So now we'll connect the positive cable first, and then the negative cable. And now you're pretty much done. You put your battery cover back on, and it's all complete. Okay, so now it's time to test our new install. So like I said earlier in the video, the 12 volt outlets, the carbon monoxide and propane alarm, the stereo system, the lights, and the rooftop vent fan are all powered by the 12 volt battery. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them all on, or at least these two things on, and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it from the battery using the switch right now. So as you can see, the lights and the rooftop vent, as well as the propane alarm and the stereo has turned off. And now we're going to go ahead and turn it all back on. And voila. Okay, let me go ahead and climb back in. So I went ahead and turned it back all on. The vent turned on, the lights turned on, and I'll go ahead and turn this around. And the propane and carbon monoxide gas alarm is on, and the radio is back on. I don't know if you can see it that well. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. There you go. Awesome. So there it is, a successful install of the battery disconnect switch on our 2021 Braxton Creek Bushwhacker 10FB. Now in the beginning of the video, I listed out all of the pros of the install. There is one con that I found out right now, of course, is that the radio clock resets every time you disconnect the battery, which like any other radio or clock, when you pull the plug on it, right? So that is the one con. Of course, you have your phone and your watch to check the time. So that's not crazy. Other than that, we hope you enjoyed this install video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And we hope you have a tremendous day.